Hey, what's up, Kisho holders? So this is the massive jump, my friend, and coming soon. So therefore, my brother, I make this brand video for all of you to understand better now, my brothers. To upcoming time, the future is gonna be bright now. So what happening, my friend? If you are hold, if you are starting selling, if you are buying more. So let's see, my brother. I will tell you everything in this video. This is live price prediction of Kisho coin, my brother. You know, and from last month, my friends, every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down. So therefore, you can see, my brother, the change occur of last my friend last 3 months is on the screen. But absolutely, my friend, here is just one jump, and absolutely the change occur will be positive. So the main reason is that. Otherwise, my friend, if you check out the last 1 month chart, so exactly, my friend, from last month this coin is completely fails down. And what's the reasons? There are a few reasons, my friend. The reasons is that to holders cannot hold it and sell it, especially long term investor. So as you can see here, this time, my brother, the Kishu change occur minus 79.48% fails down. And here, as you can see here, the price is absolutely come down to 0. I think 7 so sorry yeah 7.0, my friend, and 2 is the latest price. But here, if you can see here, the price is 3, so it's mean, my brothers, the price is decreased now, my brother. If we check out this fail, so exactly, my friend, everybody try to understand to after a fail they take a jump. So therefore, I tell you, my brothers, to the huge jump is coming soon now, and I'm 100% sure to after this fails they take a very good jump now. So if they take a jump, everybody try to understand to if they take a jump after this point, it's mean, my brothers, to the future is gonna be bright now. In the start of month, F coin is starting moving upward now, so it's a very good news. And this is now the mid of this month, so I'm 100% sure to Kishu will break all record and will make you millionaire, my brother. So let's see to what they do. But my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, because, my brother, I know to upcoming time Kishu is moving upward now. So thanks for watching, my brother. Please, let's see today will be really moving upward or not. You need to hold, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you, please like this video and subscribe this channel.